Basil is used to relieve muscular aches and pains, colds and flu, hay fever, asthma, bronchitis, mental fatigue, anxiety, and depression. It is extremely soothing and uplifting and is popular with massage therapists for alleviating tension and stress in their patients. When applied in dilution, basil is reputed as being an excellent insect repellent, while the linalool's mild analgesic properties are known for helping in relieving insect bites and stings. It's also highly effective as an antispasmodic, as well as an antemetic, antiseptic, carminative, cephalic, expectorant, and immune support. This oil may irritate sensitive skin. Avoid use during pregnancy. Basil is a top note.